Whew. Let's look for some bait, y'all. You know. Sometimes you ain't really gotta go too far. You just look for that seagrass meeting that sand patch. Right out here. That was a nice little cast right there. Untangle this rope. I don't really need too many bait fish, just a couple. I got live shrimp. It looked like I got some in there too. Let's see what this bait is. I see a big pinfish in there. $10 by 5%. It's at least 20 M's. Yeah, he too big. But these white baits, good size. These are what I call either mahara or white bait, you feel me? They are soft bait fish. Soft bait fish. So you gotta be careful when you hook them. But they get the job done. A little extra than what I wanted, but I ain't going for no tarpon. And I don't like mullet, y'all, so it is what it is. Yannick, I was doing some good fishing, and then something bad always got to fucking happen to me. Why the fuck I'm over here catching bait, right? And white dude and his dog walking past the beach. I ain't paying no attention to it. I got my little sea mule out there. There's a wooden stick in the ground holding it in place. I see the dog go by it. I didn't pay it no fucking mind. The dog knocked the fucking stick over and turned my fucking sea mule loose. By the time I fucking look at it, my sea mule is halfway out to the fucking ocean. And now I'm out here pulling a rescue mission, walking to go get my damn sea mule at high fucking tide, hoping that I can get all the way out here without getting fucking soaking wet. It looks like I might be able to get to it. That shit got all my shit on it too. Should have seen my face on land. I was panicking. I got fucking, the cart itself is $350. I got 3 rods on there. It's probably worth about $600-700 damn dollars. Then my whole tackle bag is out here. And Lord knows how much money I got in fucking lures. But I fucking made it. I fucking made it. That was the fucking, oh my God. Not bad, how sad I would have been. I've been going home negative, nigga. Despite me catching a few fish today, I went home negative, nigga. Look at all the shit I would have left out there. Come on, man. Even shit I just bought. But alright, that was enough of me panicking. Now I gotta go get my nets and shit and put it back in the fucking Western A. And try and do a little bit more fishing before I go take it in. Shrimp was in front of me. That ain't nothing but mullet. All mullet in front of me. All these dang mullet. I'm getting hit too out there. If something chasing them, I hope it. Hope it chases them right into. I don't know if I got a hit. Yeah, it got me, whatever it was. Yes, sir. What is this? A pinfish. You know, you're nestling all day, this away. This to say, any trees, just the perfect shade, and that's just how I feel. Just a little pinner. I'm hitting my. Damn, they got me. What the hell this is? It might be a catfish. Oh, this is a big ass trout. Big ass trout. I don't even know how big this nigga is. And I might have to stay a little bit longer. You know, when you be ready to go, you be ready to go. This motherfucker big. About to see how big this nigga is. Oh yeah, that's 18. Yeah, that's 18, y'all. He swallowed the hook though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clip that. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a jack. Oh. Oh, Jack Crevalle. Jack Crevalle. Oh shit. I know there was jacks out here. Whew. It was swerving. Jack crevalle. How deep you got that thing in there? Well, that ain't too deep. I can get it with my pliers. That boy going crazy.